guys, welcome back to my channel. Happy Vlogmas. So today I'm going to be decorating one of those really old trees that has the birds in them. And if you don't know what I'm talking about, I will show you here in just a minute. But first, I found this in my grandmother's closet. Oh, I just think I just cut my hand. I don't know how old it is. Don't know if she even used it. I don't even remember. But it's got these trains on it. That's what cut my... This is sharp as hell, guys. Like, what the fuck? Excuse my French, but Jesus, it stabbed me. Like, that's dangerous as hell. How does this work? Does it work? You know what? It has an adapter. For a plug. Let me go see if I can find a plug. This is so cute. But the fact that it freaking stabbed me. Oh, duh. That's why it stabbed me. It has a thing for Santa Claus. Oh, the little reindeer broke. I'm gonna super glue that together. But ow! That hurt like hell. Literally, I'm bleeding. I don't know if it makes music. I figured it might. So that's what the Santa does, but I'm gonna go glue the reindeer back together really fast. Oh, this one doesn't move around. I love it! I love trains so much, guys. I love trains so much. This is so cute. I didn't even know she had this. Hell, she probably didn't even know she had this. Anyway, gonna go glue this back together. Be back momentarily. Guys, I can't find the super glue, so I don't know what my husband done with it. He put shit everywhere. Yay! Honestly, don't know how old this tree is. I got it from my grandmother. My other grandmother. The train tree came from Sue. I took a lot of her Christmas stuff when she passed away because, well, one, I love Christmas stuff, and yeah, so I took a lot of her Christmas stuff when she passed away, and then Daisy just really can't decorate anymore, so she gave me a lot of her stuff too, and this bird tree came from her. I would say the bird tree is probably from the 80s, if I had to guess. See, it lights up and you put birds on it. See the little ornaments? I always try to keep the same color, like put different colors beside each other. I really don't know how old this tree is. Mama, if you know how old this tree is, let me know. Because I really do want to know how old this tree is. I love this little bird tree though. And I actually saw that they're coming back, but they don't have birds in them. They're They're just like little light bulbs. I prefer this bird tree. I think it's adorable. I enjoy decorating this. I've enjoyed decorating this since I was a kid. Like, really young, I think. I always used to help Mama. I always used to help Mama decorate her village, and I used to help her decorate her tree. And I guess that's where I get my love for decorating, is from her, because she always decorated her house so beautiful. So that's probably where I get my love of decorating from, because she loved to decorate. So yeah. Sometimes it's pretty impossible to get all of the different colors. I always try, but it doesn't always work out. Also, I'm allergic to dust, and decorating stirs up a lot of freaking dust. So I sneeze a whole heck of a lot when I'm decorating. Ugh. Always put purple in the front, if you haven't noticed. Purple is my absolute favorite color, if you guys didn't know. I feel like I've told you guys that before, but yeah, purple is my favorite color. What's your favorite color? Let me know. It's the holiday season. Well, next year I'll know when I pull that stupid thing out of that box that it's extremely sharp. Like, what the heck, y'all? I did not know it was so sharp like that. Like, why is it so sharp? Like, makes no sense to me. Makes absolute no sense as to why that needed to be that sharp. Like, that really hurt. Like, really hurt. I think so. I've lost some birds along the way. I only think I have one in field though. This is not a hole. It's got something in it. Yeah, there's my little bird tree. Isn't it the cutest? So now I'm gonna put some snow around it. Because this is actually what goes over the village, but I just hate it. There we go. That totally works. So this bird thing used to sing. I don't think it does. Yeah, the windy thing does. Or maybe it does. Oh, that one sings too. love this. Oh my gosh. It's the absolute cutest thing ever. I don't know where she got this, but it is super freaking cute and I love it.
Jingle bell, jingle bell, jingle bell rock. Jingle bell time.